Okay guys, so we've got going to give you a bit of an update. There's not much to update really. I haven't done anything in the shed. I've still got my hoist. Actually, you might notice the picture quality is a little bit better. I've been upgrading the. I've tried to get a few upgrades going on the setup for this. So I've got a half decent camera now, and I've actually been playing with a few other bits and pieces. So you should see. So I've got this now, and what I also want to do is get a bit of a Friday tip. It's not really just shed tips, but it's just life tips in general. Now, one of the things with work, every Friday always happens, you get the Friday nugget. The Friday nugget is generally in the office, is when the customer starts jumping up and down, stock's not on site, things aren't working, things aren't happening when they should, and of course it's right on Friday, just when you're about to knock off, you want to go home, and you get the Friday nugget. So I'm putting a spin on this, and it's going to be a positive Friday nugget. The idea there is you'll get, I'll try and come out with something on Friday, and it may replace a video, it may be in addition to a video, but I'll try and get you it might not be every week, every Friday, but I'll try and get something out anyway. So just a tip, like a tip for life or something like that. Tip to make things easier. As far as the projects go, and a bit of a sort of project update. Hoist, still haven't got it in. I suppose that's the problem with starting a channel in the middle of lockdowns. I had all those weekends to do stuff, and now weekends are starting to fill up. I'm going away this weekend, camping, hunting, and filled up with going away with the family, which unfortunately, no, it's got to take priority. The hoist still isn't done. The weather's been a bit rubbish as well, but I mean, full of excuses. And if I get the Monaro out, it sinks in the grass if it's too wet. So there's that. The one tonner. Really, still nowhere. I'm collecting a few bits and pieces, but generally everything's a shambles because I've moved everything out the way for to put the hoist in, and I haven't cleaned it up. Want to do a review on this bad boy here. So this is my first bit of bloody still equipment. It's a pole saw, a 36 volt battery operated, friggin' great. So I'll try and chuck a video up on that at some point. They're coming a long way, these battery tools. So anyway, we'll go in the front shed, and I'll show you what I haven't done in there as well. So we've got the front shed. Now this has been again, I'm trying to sort it out. Everything gets worse before it gets better. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is I need to build a table for the table saw, and then I can start building a few things around, just sort of sorting it out. It's an absolute dog's breakfast. You know, bloody blasphemy. I'm storing shit on me on top of my car. So again, not much happening. I've just got to get into it. One thing I need to do as well is the front of the Hilux. I've vinyl wrapped the bonnet and it's cracked. I'll put up a picture up around here, and I've got some new more vinyl there, so I'll take you through vinyl wrapping a bonnet. I know there's heaps of bloody videos out there that show you my way. I did the original vinyl wrap, and it obviously wasn't good quality stuff. I don't think the stuff that I've gone and got now is good quality either, but it should last a few years. It lasted a few years the first time, and it's only $30, so $40, something like that. So had a bit of time chucking it on. So anyway, guys, I'll sign off here. Don't be a damo and don't not get in the shed. So love your work, get in the shed.